In this overview of 3Dsellers eBay Listings Manager, we will explore how to set custom alerts for low quantity and sales volume. We will review the eBay Alerts tab, how to create custom eBay alerts for items, and managing custom alerts. See timestamps in the description for individual feature overviews. The Alerts page is where you can manage custom alerts, set a default sales alert, and view alerts history. Before setting alerts, enter the email address you'd like to send alerts to. To set a custom alert for one or multiple listings, select the products you want alerts for and choose Create Custom Alerts from the Bulk Actions menu. Name your alert something memorable, and choose whether you want an alert for eBay quantity or quantity sold, followed by your preferred value. After creating, you can manage your custom alerts on your alerts page. You can enable or disable the rule and edit the details, rules, and listings included. If you'd like to review how-to and help articles for this tool, use the Help button at the top of your screen. Also, you can use our Messenger bot to send us a message, search for other articles, and request features. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.